3, a business owner opens a new investment account with $10,000 deposit. The investment account earns 2.5 interest compounded annually. The business owner does not plan to make any deposits or withdrawals. How much interest will the account earn at the end of the first and second years? Move the correct answer to each box. Not all answers will be used. All right, so here's my choices. The account will earn blank interest at the end of the first year, and at the end of the second year, it will have earned blank interest. All right, so we know the formula to use. Compounded is A equals P times 1 plus the rate to the power of time. Remember, this one's got that 1 plus rate and the exponent. Also, please remember that the compounded formula does not equal the interest. It equals the account balance. So we will have that second step there. Maybe that's the part you missed. We got to subtract that principal to get the account, to get the interest. The account balance, sorry, let me move this over. The account balance is equal to the principal plus the interest. All right, so let's go after the first year. My principal is $10,000 for them both. The rate is 2.5% for them both, which is 0.025. And the time is 1 year for this one. So I've got account balance is 10,000 times 1 plus 0.025 to the power of 1. So the account balance at the end of 1 year would be $10,250. Well, how much interest did he earn, he or she, if he started with 10,000 and he ended up with 10,250? Well, the difference there, 10,250 minus 10,000 equals 250. So my interest after 1 year would be 250. Now let's look at the, if it was 2 years, I'm not going to write out my PRT because the P and the R are the same, just the T is changing. 10,000 times 1 plus 0.025. Now we are talking about to the second power of 2, so I'm just going to change that here. 2 years. After 2 years, his account has $10,506.25. That's the total account balance. I'm going to have to subtract that principal. And we are left with $506.25 was what was gained in interest. So pay attention to that. This is probably the biggest mistake that we make is it asking for the interest or is it asking for the account balance? Sometimes you got to take that second step.